Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. Happy weekend, or almost weekend. I am so excited, you guys, because today there was a big old box on my front porch, and it was my FabFitFun box. Woo, woo, yay! So, we are going to be doing the unboxing of the spring 2019 FabFitFun. I do want to show you guys first. I did do an add-on, and I'm definitely intrigued and excited to try this. There were quite a few things that I would have liked to have added on, but I restrained myself. So this is from Korres, and it is their Greek yogurt cleansing and makeup removing. I have hiccups. Greek yogurt cleansing and makeup remover wipe. I've heard nothing but wonderful things about Korres, so I was very excited to give this a try and see. I will admit I have tried many different brands of makeup remover wipes. However, one of my absolute, if not my favorite, is just the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. I think they do an amazing job. They take out or off every single bit. I do and have really enjoyed some from Vasanti. So I'm definitely excited to try these Korres ones and see what these guys are like. So this was my add-on. But now to what you guys are really here for, and what I cannot wait to open. This big bad boy right here. This box is so gorgeous, and it screams springtime, does it not? I mean, these colors, yes. So obviously I do know a couple of the items in here because we were able to customize. And if you've watched one of my live streams, we talked about, and I think it was the last live stream I did, day 8, we talked about how I chose for one of my customization options the mystery item. Come to find out, the mystery item was a lippy that looked like poop. So hopefully maybe they have variations and I don't have a poop lippy in here. And then obviously there's a couple of items I don't know what they could be, so I can't wait to get in here and see what exactly I got. So let's open her up. For those of you that do not know, let me do this before I forget. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription, and by far probably one of my favorite. It is a lifestyle subscription. You could have products in here that range from makeup to home decor, home products, skincare, clothing, fitness. I mean, you could just get such a wide variety of items that could end up being in this box. I have never been disappointed with one of my FabFitFun boxes, and they are $49.99 every quarter. So every spring, summer, winter, and fall, you do receive a box. I did those out of order. Spring, summer, fall, winter. If you have not signed up and you would like to, I will put a link down below, and that link will actually, with your first box, get you $10 off, so you could get the spring box for $39.99. And I'm telling you, from what I know already, it's absolutely worth it. The boxes are always valued at over $200, if not to $250. I've even had some that were over $300, so you definitely get your money's worth. So I'm gonna stop babbling and we're gonna get in here. So, oh, the inside is so cute. Okay. Spring 2019. And I do love, they did change their logo, and I think it is super cute. It's more fun and feminine and whimsical, I think, than it used to be. So I definitely do like that. So thumbs up on that, FabFitFun. And looks like, well, my paper's torn, I think. That's okay. There is always a magazine on top. This will tell you about all of the items that are in your box, different things you can use them for, the variations of products that you could have received, and it does always feature someone on the front that in one way or another has something to do with something that could be in your box. So this spring 2019 is featuring Venus Williams. So we are going to set this to the side. We'll reference when we need to. Here lately they have been also including it's a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. It's $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. But yeah, it looks like mine got torn a little bit. That's okay. So this sorry y'all, I'll explain in a minute. So there you saw that all that goodness. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Yay. Okay. So this box. Not only did I obviously get to customize a couple of the items, but there were some that I wasn't sure on what I may get, and I can see that I got exactly what I would have chosen, and I can see that I didn't get a poopy lip or a poop lippy. Yay. Okay. So now let's just get to the items. I'm so excited. Yay. All right. So there are 3 items that everyone did receive. Let me open this so I can tell you guys the pricing. The 3 items that everyone received, the first one, and I'm super excited about this because I've had a travel or a trial size of this and it's amazing, is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. This is a $26 value, and it smells fabulous, and yes, I cannot wait to give this a try. Or not give it a try. I've tried it. I can't wait to use this, and I'm so happy to have the full size. So yay for that. The next item I have received before, so I'm super happy to have again because I am out, and that is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This stuff works wonders. You just put a little bit on your fingertips, rub it together, warm it up, pack it, tap, 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 tap. And it looks like you got to hold on to sleep, even if you only had 2 hours. So, as a mother, yes. And this is $42. So that right there is almost the box. That right there, if you have not signed up and you do decide to sign up and say you use my link to get $10 off, that's more than the box. So the next item that everyone received, and I'm excited. Good gosh, that thing is big. Okay. I did not realize how big this was. Okay. This is the Manna Kadar Champagne Body Scrub. It's a champagne and charcoal body scrub, and this is $24. And this packaging is so gorgeous. The rose gold. Like, y'all see how big this is? This is huge. I think it does have, yeah, and I'm not gonna open it, but it does have a safety seal. But it is huge. So I cannot wait to give this a try. Oh, we are 3 for 3. So now this is where it gets fun. The next few items are the ones that I chose, and then there are 2, I believe, that I was not aware exactly of what I would get because I don't pay annually. I just pay quarterly, and quarterly members can select some, whereas annual members, if you go ahead and prepay for a whole year, you can go ahead and kind of pretty much select everything. So we will start with the items I chose. Now, the first item, you had a choice between a Show Me Your Mumu Brie robe, deluxe demi backpack, or an Unplug meditation aromatherapy diffuser. I went with, get it out, the diffuser. I love diffusers. This actually does also come with a happy oil, which is like a citrus scent, and I am super excited. But the good thing about this, and what I think is super neat, obviously hence unplug, this is like a rechargeable, so you can move this around. It's not tied somewhere by a cord. So I just thought that was super great. So I am so happy for this bad boy right here. The next item was, you could either choose Key Australia My Girl sunglasses or the Key Australia Vivian sunglasses, which the My Girl are more of a cat eye, the Vivian is more of like an aviator. Or you could have chosen Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set or a Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I chose the Key Australia sunglasses in My Girl, the more cat eye. So I am excited to see. These look like they are going to be super cute. And I can't wait. This is really nice. This is like, feels like a leather pouch, but I'm sure it's probably not actually really leather. And it's almost like magnetic or something. So I like that case. Oh, these feel so nice. Oh my gosh. They feel so nice. I can't wait to put them on. Let's tag off. I can try these on. Okay. So these are the glasses. Aren't they? All right, look. Yo. Oh, I am in love. I love, these are so stinking cute. I love these. Absolutely. Oh, I'm so happy with these. Yes. Okay. We are just, this box is killing it. All right. So, the next item I chose was the mystery item. Like I said, I had seen where it was from, I think it was from Douce. It was like a lip stain and it was like literally a poop color. I didn't get it. I got the Highlight and Perfect multi-purpose stick from Trestique. So, yay for no poopy lippy. I will take this every day over a poop colored lippy. So, yay. And then we had, oh, and I did not tell you, the Key Australia, the sunglasses are $55. And it said the mystery item was 20 or more. So I don't know exactly how much that is. We have 2 items left. And these were items that I did not know. They could be whatever. And I actually got the 2 that I wanted. So the first one is this super adorable and super cute, still covered in squiggly sort of, Sip by Swell insulated water bottle. You can actually use it for hot or cold drinks. And I got this beautiful purple color. Y'all, that is so cute. I'm so happy. I've seen solid colors and I've seen printed like design ones. So I actually really like just the simple purple. That is super cute. This is $19.99. So I'm very happy with this guy. And then the other item. This again was the one that I was like, please. The other options for the Sit by Swell, you could have got matte, the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, or the Two Bandits Athens necklace. And then the final item could have been between a Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, a Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush, or 11 by Venus Jump Rope. So that's obviously why she's featured on the front. But I was really, really hoping for the face wash, and that is what I got. So I am super happy. This is a really big face wash, but what I like, it is a probiotic face wash, and I've just heard amazing things. So I'm super happy to have received this and give this a try. And obviously, let's be for real, it'll last a really long time. And this is worth $28. So yes, that is everything that I got in my spring 2019 FabFitFun. And it literally, out of all of the items that I could have received, this was the perfect box. So yay for FabFitFun yet again. I love the subscription, you guys. If you are on the fence about a subscription, especially if you're trying to find some like a lifestyle, this is it. I mean, we got a water bottle, we got face wash, we got sunglasses, we got a body scrub, we got a diffuser, we got leave-in conditioner, we got this Trustique face stick, and then we have the Dr. Brandt. So we have a combination of skincare, body care, we got a water bottle, we got sunglasses, we got a diffuser. It's just such a variety, and I love it. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought of my box of the items that I chose and randomly got. What you guys got in your box if you received FabFitFun. And like I said, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up and have not already. It will get you $10 off, so you can get your first box for $39.99. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys on the next video. Bye.